Day 2. Picking apples day 2. Picking apples day 2. Yes. Come Denzel. Yes. Blessings. Share the live, Velma. We are picking apples. See him there? Bag in tow. And we are picking apples. Yeah. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, nation. Share the live. Yes, we are picking apples. See him in the tree there. See him? See my pick off the people them apple. Well, a wee water it a full workplace. Ay. Picking apples day 2. Bye, Kay. Thank you. Kay not even hear me. Anybody want apple? Say me. Guys, I must confess the last apples that I picked didn't go down well. I never saved to make the juice, so I'm hoping to save this. Denzel, oh, you sound like you eat meanwhile you pick. Full of what? See him? Full of what? Apple. Me, Velma want apple. Okay. Yes. Apple, look at those, man. Look how the rain make the apple nice. Look for one big bunch up there. So see the big bunch there? Share the live, guys. Nation, welcome in and share the live. Eh? Look at it. Look at the big nice apple up there. So share. Look at the big nice apple up there. So see it? The apple tree bear plenty. Look there. Come Denzel, we picking apple. Look on the, you see if you have the stick, see that bunch right there? Everything on it ripe. Oh yes, and it too flimsy to climb, not true? It too flimsy to climb. Share the live, guys. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, nation. Yes? The short stick? All right, guys, so I'm going for the stick. There's a stick right here. I'm going to reach it. And boy, town life in a country life. Eh? You're so?
I saw your short, Annie.
You're there. I'm petite. I'm not short.
Yeah, petite.
Petite. All them things here. All them things here. Yes, man. Come on. You get 2. See it? We are picking up. Woo! 2 save. I'm getting this one. Look at that, guys. Look at this. That one save. That one save. That one save. Don't make them drop where you have the bag. Set the bag. There's them dropping and bursting. And that's what happened the last time, you know. Then drop and burst. And eat them off. Don't watch this right here. He has a bag. Woo! Look what's happening. No, but them are waste. When them drop on and think that them wasting. You don't want them to waste. Your gym finished now? What happened? So sweet, guys. Mm?
You already reach some of the other side now.
So sweet. So sweet. Come on, guys. So sweet. Watch him. He coming like Boise.
I tried.
He
I tried.
he pick and he sit down and he rest. How much you eat?
Full.
You see it? See the bag coming down not full because him full. Him eat half them guys. He's the eater of the apple. Yes. Yes, so emotional wine. What the competition still on?
And it takes. Can't reach no more.
Nishon, hi. Hold on a man. Me I work 2 camera now.
Work it.
2 camera. Oh, this one dark so. Okay. So yes, guys, we are picking apples. The Reverend is on the tree. See him? So the bag there coming down. But there's several other apple on the tree
Got lots of
that we
obstacles.
cannot reach. See it?
You're an obstacle.
See it? I can catch and him can pick it by himself. So, see it?
And I can't reach them. Where they are.
Mine is falling now.
You look at me.
Of course. If you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. You know that song? Those were the good old days, the good old songs, real good songs, yes. Picking apple, day 2.
Hope you come now, Annie.
Here then, next time me climb the tree. See one something there so you can come down with. One stick right there, so put your foot on the stick right there. And come down. See, Ilo bag don't even have half, because Denzel stay up there and eat it off. Come, put your foot there. Yes, Nishona say I must climb the tree.
Kevin, see them.
Hi, Kevin. I can't climb. You, he's down. Woo, 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 woo. No damage done. He's right here. And our bags are here. One bag with little bit of apple. And that can go in a my juicer. So one right here, so too, on the ground. The apple them, man, them. Me can't climb, man. Me a country girl, but me can't climb. Country girl, but me cannot climb. Country girl.
Country girl says you don't want that thing.
Country girl. Me not come from the country part, you know, so.
Come from the city country.
I come from the town part, the town part, that part there, a country, you don't know what I mean. The town part, right?
Not the rural.
Nation, I know what I mean. The town part we come from. Not the city, Kingston city part, you know, but the town part of country. Ooh.
And it was okay. And I got one.
Of course I have 2 hands. But yeah. I'm making a video and I'm doing live. Look at that. Look at that. We still need them. Bursts or not bursts. Because the last time I go home, I just wash.
I eat.
And that was the end of it. Yeah, the black ones, them sweet.
My
Really
God.
sweet. Sweet?
This is Jamaican apple.
Yeah, OTET. What's the name of it? Our local Jamaican OTET apple.
daughter said, Dad, I hate the dry apples.
See it? Oh, she don't like this one.
No, she don't like the foreign apple.
She don't like the American apple. She like these. Okay. Our apples are the best.
Jamaican are the best.
Climb but climb what? Talk truth nation now. I can't climb tree. I cannot climb tree. I can climb the stairs. Up and down the stairs. Up and down the stairs. Up and down. We're still picking. We're still picking. Oh, you see? We need, you know, when you're picking and you have the what do you call it? The plastic something on it's on it. But that too little bit, I know that them use. Then use like a jug, like a gallon bottle. Now we didn't come from a town. I use drinks bottle for catch something when they pick. And I know lime. You need a gallon bottle, cut it in half with a big mouth. When you go so, it drop in there. Lord God. These town people, guys, are not real. Yes. Look at the beautiful apples still on the tree. No rain, well, it rained earlier. And we can come out today. Yesterday we couldn't come out, come pick, but today we are here picking. We are picking, and we have some apples in the bag right here. And we have some apples on the ledge over there. See it? Look at it, guys. We get enough apple can share for everybody.
One each.
See it, guys? We can share for everybody. Don't you think? Hold on there. Hold on. How do I take a picture of it? Okay. That's a catch. Jesus, them birds up, but it's a catch. See it, guys? Guys, you see it? I hope I can make the juice with this time. Yes, nice. Look like we can make juice, man. It look like we can blend up. We can juice up juice today. Tomorrow the juice I gonna make, guys. So yes, we did it, guys. We did it, and we have a little, just a few over here, just a few over there. So can leave the treat until next week. But by the time I come back next week, then everything ripe up, you know, cause having rain, get some rain, see, washing his hands. So we are through with picking apple. Tomorrow, next week, we are pick tomato, apple and carrot juice, honey, with ginger, or pineapple, apple and pineapple, one of them, whichever one I have at home. I remember in a tag like a brother there, she give me a competition where I'm to prepare a meal that costs $1,000 and share it. So I have that to do too. So only $1,000. The meal must cost only $1,000. So it's what is called Jamaican meal on a budget, something like that. So I have that to do. It's a challenge that I got from Liquor Brother herself. So I'm gonna be doing it. I don't know if it's this week, but yes, I'm gonna be doing it. So any suggestion for the meal choice? Watch there. We are working on a chicken we are jerk. We are clean up. We're working on a chicken we are jerk. We're working. We're working, guys. So we're cleaning up. We're cleaning up so that the workmen them, when groundsmen them, when they come next week. No man, I know we all one pick them. Then read them today already for lunchtime. And we pick last because normally there would be apple at the lower limb, but those gone from today. Staff had those earlier, but we just came to the back and we just start now, and we have to be sweeping up. So we are leaving the place clean. Yes. So that is it for the video part of the apple picking. Yeah. But the live is still running. What happened now, sir? What happened? You're on live video. What happened? Why you say what? You want apple too? Or you have apple home?
No man, it's Emery and Sam.
Oh.
I'm not.
Same person with the same names.
Yeah.
Little brother. Little brother, give me a challenge. Still sweeping up. We're still cleaning up. And take them up, right? So we're not leaving the place in a mess. And what we have today? Me not remember, Nashana. What we have today, Festive Friday, is what? Remind me. Today time I have the competition. Auntie just come off, she gone sleep. I don't know who again. We're cleaning up. We soon finish. What's the Festive Friday about? We're raking up. Have a good evening. We passed the test. Yeah. Finish. Oh. What is the Festive Friday? Show now. So give the live 20 minutes and a couple minutes to go to 20 minutes, and we are going to be saying bye-bye. Oh, Festive Friday for you, for people to go out and festive up themselves. Okay, it's true. But we finished now, man. We finished now, putting away everything. We're gonna take up our bag and we're going to go. You ready? Steady. Oh, Festive Friday for Brata Boss. Okay. So, guys, we got to say bye because we're finished. Mission accomplished. Apples are in tow. and we are gone. So whoosh, we are out of here. Until next time, we'll see you in another live. All right, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and share my videos. All right, so see you, Nation. Bye. Bye.